Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, one more way Eze-Ana Ugochi Tube or if they come back at you. Abumoni sin Chuaja, Ugochi Tube or the temple. And in a bar for million because all of money teacher. Abukas Moji sin Chuaja, Northern and Restoration Evangelical Mission. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. No, but no gawan ke eziokwu. Isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ yoke breaking. Yoke breaking. I wee kwuo na ọ bụ ihe dị mma that you must break those yoke. Enwe family yoke, nwee personal yoke. Yes. Enwe family yoke that is there in the family. Maka ihe na-break ọtụtụ ọgbụgba ndụ dị iche iche established in good faith by your forefathers. Onye bụ ihe family anwa jide ebube. Maka enwere ọgbụgba ndụ ndị nna nna gị ha enter in good peace with Chukwu oke pụrụ ime ihe niile na ụmụ mmụọ dị iche iche ndị na-arụ ezigbo ọrụ. But those agreement was broken. Ọ bụrụzie a yoke. Nwekwazie some yoke bụ nke mmadụ ji aka emetara onwe ya. O nwere ike ọ bụrụ yoke nyanya. O nwere ike ọ bụrụ yoke agaghị n'iru. O nwere ike ọ bụrụ yoke dị iche iche, mkpọbi okwu dị iche iche. Name them, all those challenges. They are all yoke. Man, I can tell you, no bụrụ na you break or that yoke. Even if it's travel from here to China, even if you travel from here to Germany, that burden will still follow you to that Germany and fuck this up for you. Don't think that once you travel to outside the country that you have already escaped or break the yoke. No. That is why it's very important for you to break the yoke here in Nigeria before you make any move. Yoke breaking. Today I will explain it in a way that you will understand it very well. The importance of yoke breaking. Iye breaking that yoke. He will turn what is around. Those things you man na bend those are na bend na. O nwere ihe ị ga-eme. When things are not moving the way it should be. Agbana nkịtị maka na ndị Igbo na-atị nso n'ọgbara nkịtị kwere ekwe. Mmemepe anya gị taa mara ihe ị kwesịrị ime ka ị wee break ya bụ yoke. Or the kibu yoke he is going to kill yoke amata one way kibu yoke nyanya. Yenda ka iji maka ebeta. But before we dive into today's lecture, okwa dimpa. HF na like in the month of September, our group rituals is still ongoing. You can join us anywhere you are all over the world. Distance is never a barrier and all of my na Jaya temple. Yes. I am military to Ajay in Igwe category 3 years. We have massive testimonies. So I'm going to choose you like he gave me we make token donation to the account number. Chat him na WhatsApp. I'm going to other details we need for you in order to book you. We just concluded the annual festival for the children of the temple. Although they were child of the temple, we did not made it to the annual festival. HF Kwela. Neka will throughout this year. Email he was an email. Now, he was so. Wake it okay. Now go sit in here. Now let's dive into today's lesson. But before we make I did a WhatsApp number in your time 0805 7837672 or 0813 8243 871. Because I am going to pay attention. In our screen, you have numbers in Dampon. Here, na check what again. A yoke breaking is real. And we're to yoke or to them once anymore. And we're family yoke. That family yoke, that yoke, are not possible. No one know one another again are successful. No one know one you couldn't negate. One link with you couldn't negate successful. That yoke ya na that is no bono. Anaya, Amagihana, and well, particular sickness. I am very sickness now what to be beyond human imagination. A yoke cob. And well, family were yoke, Amatainwa. Anti Ngozi amụtara nwa abedie, anti Ifeyinwa amụtara amụta, ọnkụ Ifeanyị ọmụọ nwa onye nke ọzọ afaịdị otu nwa ka o jisi ike wee mụta mgbe ọ na-agba alaba nkụ ma sịsọ ọnụ nwa amụtabara nwa. Agba mbụ atọ n'ogbe, agba abụọ too n'ogbe, bọsụ ogbe ka a pịara akụ. That yoke anwa melụ na onwere onye nwere ike ịdị successful. Yes, na-enwere ụmụ okorobịa 5 na family, mana onwere nke a ga-akụ aka 200,000 naira wepụta on a very good day. That yoke anwa bụ ihe wọp circle na a na-enwe rise and fall. That yoke a na-ebute untimely death. That yoke a na-eme onye mechaa travel ọ natawa na village gbara aka. Esekwana ka ime ka ile ana ma ọ bụ ka unu jee baa n'ụgwọ n'ọkụ ma ụfọdụ ime unu jewe obodo oyibo in order to break the yoke. No, ihe a bụrụ wrong move. O nwere ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ merie no today ha na-akụ ụta. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha na-achọzi ịgba aka natakwa. Efu na elele wee sị ndị obodo oyibo jiri ana. Obodo oyibo nwe ojiro ibe ndị ọtọ na-eje succeed nyenwa ji ọma succeed. That yoke a na-ebute disappointment. That yoke a na-ebute ịkpasị na-ebe downsizing na company onye nke go na-alụ ọ ga-esori na ndị a ga-eme downsize despite the fact that na not the good n'ihe ọ na-alụ. Let me tell you, ọ bụrụ na ị na-experience yoke, heavy yoke that na-eme ụnụ na-emegharịwa ahụ na ezinụlọ, o nwere ike iwu yoke ịdị iche iche. Yoke a na-eme na onwere onye na-alụcha unu arụcha na be nna gị. Agbakwana nkịtị, ndị Igbo na-atụ n'usu na ọgbara nkịtị kwere ekwe. You must be angry. You must be angry in that condition that is not palatable, that is become a yoke, heavy yoke on your neck. You must be angry and get away with it. You must be angry and reject it. You must be angry and do the needful. There are so many things he gave me. No, I keep saying it that what you don't know remains a mystery to you and not to all. And I keep saying it that if you are knowledgeable, if you lack knowledge, you remain a slave. And there are so many things he gave me spiritually. Because spiritual control the physical, almost on certain decision he gave me. Yes, but he need the mentorship, he need the kakawalagi. He said to go those goals. But the most important thing, more back those goals, he said. We are living in a competitive world. Nature, government to produce, provide the other need. You got it all. Only in a hope na your uncle, the system will provide everything you need. You are joking. You must be a joker. You grab it. Power is not given. It's grab it. It make the needful. Matthew 7:7 said, and I quote, Yoiga yota, choiga chota, koaka agebere. Meaning, if you refuse to knock, no door will open for you. If you refuse to seek, you will not find. If you refuse to ask, nothing will be given to you. It's natural, it's as simple as that. But in that is the problem. You need to do a mentor that will guide you. In a you are sick, but you don't even know what to seek and how to go about it. That is why you need a priest. That's why you need a mentor. That's why you need somebody that will stand by you. So that's why you need somebody that will be guiding you. That's why we are here. What I can tell you that if there is any those yoke that is problem in your life and you have tried your best, you can't even save yourself. You must be angry for that conditions and do the needful. And that is why we priest is here to help you to find out what those yoke are. The target is we put yoke. The target is saying that we from point A by point B. That's why you always need a leader. You need someone that knows road, that understands how things work in the spiritual realm. Don't allow anybody that doesn't understand how things work spiritual wise to deceive you, but will tell you, ọbara uru ịrụ ọrụ mmụọ, ọbara uru ime ihe mmụọ, na ihe ị na-anọkịta mere onwe. It's not true. The person is not telling you all the truth. Nke bụ eziokwu na ọ bụrụ na o nwere ihe ị na-eme, you are not spiritual, you na-aga spiritual, nothing. Ihe na-agara gị, I can tell you na ihe a na-agara gị bụ for mgbe nta. And asịgoro na ihe a gara gị, ọ bụrụ na ị na-arụ ọrụ mmụọ, ị aga mmụọ. Maka na enwere some certain decision a na-ebu ụzọ take na mmụọ. Gị nwa na onwe gị sị na ị ma arụ ọrụ mmụọ, na ihe na-anọkọta ome. Since anyị kwụsịrị ịrụ ọrụ mmụọ, duplex ga-ojugo everywhere. Onwe na-ajụ ọbụla onye mkpụrụ obi ọbụla na-achụ aja ihe na-efunarị. There's no sacrifice that is in vain. No ritual that is in vain. No saraka that is in vain. If you see opportunity to write their name in the gold, if you have opportunity to contribute towards being a joy giver to others, have you asked yourself, why is it that some of the rich, some of them have money, some of them normally know how to invest their money? Have you asked yourself, some of these wealthy people that maybe some of them even build place of worship across all religious lines? If you go to all religious lines, be it the temple, be it mosque, be it churches, build other place of worship, I can tell you with facts that so there's some individuals that single-handedly build those places of worship. Some contributed immensely. Some always contribute immensely to make sure that those places of worship is running, providing aids and arms giving. Instead, once they give, because they give it to humanity, but whatever you do it out of love and humanity for the benefit of others. People that normally build place of worship, they are not building it even for themselves alone, because they know that by anchoring that particular place of worship, that altar will be a place of a salvation of salvation, place of help to others. It's an act of love. And I can tell you that those people are single-handedly build place of worship. I know so many of them that have already built place of worship all over the world, and they are moving from strength to strength. Yes, I know so many of them. I know Senator Joseph Victor Oyofo. He built a temple and out. It's not poor, up to date. I know Sacretus Ibeto. He built a place of worship. Today is not poor. He keep going from strength to strength. I know many of them that I can't start mentioning names. So what I'm saying is that there are so many things why people are doing what they are doing. And there are so many ways I build a yoke. Man, all your spiritual guide, your priest will guide you and tell you where and what you must do to break the yoke. When they break their yoke by almsgiving. When they break their yoke by turning around, chigaria. When they break yoke by in all more teacher and breaking yoke work. All depends on the cause of that yoke. On one family yoke, they can see one personal yoke. Now all your spiritualists exactly what will you do to break those yoke that always follow you and make sure that you and your family is not progressing. Only cobro them will hear maybe than guru cause ya. And what you can want that 10 seconds that yoke. Yes, in the family. Oh, that yoke name and one negging with the KJ America, Eze-Ana, or the America, or Barakanata, if you bury. I have seen. So then you find out that Niger America or Niger Germany does not mean need break good yoke. When your family a break good yoke. If you did not do the needful even here, the thing will still follow you to America and or Germany and still fuck this up for you. You say, come back empty-handed. But if you have already traveled and you are hearing my voice right now, you are favored. And the reason why you are permitted to hear this voice right now. Or when you came from there, you can still do one or two right from there. Someone can still help you out from here to ratify, make some certain things, amendments which you have supposed to have done before traveling. I cannot tell you. Never go to put them mad in here. I can also teach you how we can ratify their things. And today they are singing new songs. So what am I saying? If you are about to make some certain decision, make sure you do the right thing, foundational wise. Break the yoke. Call a able of the Jelechana or make some certain moves. To zero. Because the yoke has never been broken. Attack a yoke be done. You know that Macedonian about Jabez. Until you realize and cried and do the needful, the yoke was broken. Let me stop here. What I can tell you, you must do something to break the yoke. The yoke also you have yoke in here, yoke you almost one abro. Manige meriri kwesịrị ime ka break a yoke. Maka na agba mbọ atọ no gba abọ no boss over ka afiara. He wants you ogbara nkịtị kwere ko once you fold your hands na no ihe mere naturally. Honorable anwa, you must agitate and say enough is enough. Oh, onye gbawa mbe nyere aka. If you did not knock, no door will open for you. If you did not seek, you will not find. If you do not ask, it shall never be given to you. It's there. It's natural laws. Nwa ajụjụ enwe chat m na WhatsApp number 0805-783-7672 or 0813-824-3871. Now on screen, you have these numbers. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwem na ọ dị ihe siri m ike ke Chineke na-apụghị izi m ụzọ m ga-esi luwo ya n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya. Ya gazie. May the blessing of God keep me here be with you all. May you be protected. May you be favored. May you be blessed now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Go shine and dominate. No but star.